I don't know what Dad's doing here, but he's moving the Bombardier that from 3 customers ago. Maybe the guy's got it sold. He was selling it for 45 grand. It's still on wheels here, so no skis. Well, we'll go see what Dad's doing. Customer kept the skis at his place, so it's a little hard to turn around here. It's a really good machine. Once actually Dad got all this done, it's really good. Again, it's kind of hard right now with the wheels on to move, but skis on this machine would make it turn a lot easier. So Dad's got to make some short turns here to get it turned around. So yeah, the customer is selling this one here. I think he's got his eye on another one, but we had it parked in the back after the auto pack repair. Customer's Bombardier had gotten broken into, and a bunch of parts went missing. And so now Dad is just taking it out so it doesn't freeze to the ground. And he's likely parking it here in the lineup so that they can load it up so he can get it out of here. Looks like he's parking it by the buses here. I was saying it doesn't steer with the shit with wheels.
Move your truck over. I want to park this where your truck is.
Okay. Well, you wouldn't want to be out using this thing without the skis on, I'll tell you that much. Dad is making 2-inch turns here, and I think he's just getting stuck in the ruts. I don't know what this thing would be like without power steering. It'd be next to impossible to move. So why the sudden movement on this machine?
Because when it gets cold, it might not start. This way I can plug it in.
Oh, okay.
I'm thinking of today is mild.
Okay. I thought the customer might have called you and said move this machine, or
Could
because
turn 30 below.
Okay.
And they start a lot easier
When they're plugged in.
when they're plugged in.
Okay. Okay, so there you go, guys. Little action of this machine. Like I said, the customer wants to sell it. I think he wants 45 for it. Customer's got some extra wheels. He's got the skis, obviously. He's got a bunch of other things that he's got as property. So we'll put the customer's contact details down here, and you can contact him directly. And Dad's moved it out of the back and into the front.
If you rev them up, they'll bounce like that, and they
Yeah.
can steer better. But as you can see,
Yeah.
it's made for summer.
Yeah. So, okay. So there you go, guys.